So now we have a unicorn card and we have an archangel card. So card 1 is unicorn and card 2 is archangel. I shall give you a couple of seconds to decide whether you want to go with card 1 or card 2. Okay, so taking at the card 1, wow, that's a beautiful card. Queen of the unicorns. You're blessed with love, compassion, wisdom. Can you see this card? It's a beautiful card where there's a child. Now this child I see is you, and there is a unicorn protecting you, and it is just giving you all the unconditional love. So today your day is going to be beautiful. You're going to have a lot of love energies around you. You're going to gain a lot of knowledge. Maybe you will be gaining some good news. You will be getting some information that you're seeking. Some of you may also get the news that you're expecting, but overall I see a beautiful golden light around you. Maybe today morning, if you have the time, if you have a yellow candle, please go with yellow candle, or else just take a white candle, burn it, or burn a lamp in your altar, in your puja room, and just say, "O Queen of Unicorns, come and bless me and be with me the whole day. Let me enjoy your blessings. Let me enjoy your presence around me today." Let's see what the Miracle Now card has. I'm sorry, I took out the previous day's card and I just put it. So let me just take out. Okay. There is always solution for the highest good. So maybe here I take it as the unicorn is telling you that I am there, and whatever I'm going to give you is going to be for the highest good. So now let's go to the card 2. That's another beautiful card, teaching and learning. If you see, both talk about gaining and giving wisdom. So what you can do is, if you see here, Archangel Zadakiel is saying, keep a good eye, keep an open mind and learn new ideas. So maybe it is asking you to learn new things, focus on new things and grow. When you grow beautifully after learning, and when you teach others, you also gain knowledge. So today, if you are planning to explore something or gain knowledge about something, then the day is yours. Go with the flow, and I'm sure you will be learning something different and new. So okay, I thought I will not bring in the Miracle Now and I'll bring some other card, but no, not an issue. We will just go with the flow. I release my need to be perfect and I center my commitment to serve the world more love. So again, I already told you in this cards that why don't you teach and why don't you teach others? You learn and you teach others. The more you teach, the more you give wisdom, the more you gain wisdom. Same way, the more you give love, the more love comes back to you. Today I want to tell you all one small tip. If you all can do it, it would be really great. In the morning, sit for 5 minutes, focus on your third eye and just say, I am open to all the abundance and the positivity that is coming in my day to day. Just close your eyes, focus on your third eye, both the cards, whether you've selected card 1 or card 2. Just say that and just be calm for 5 minutes and then open your eyes and start your day. Do let me know how you felt, because if this brings in a change in your world, in your day, then I shall bring in more small tips like this to bring in beautiful changes in your life and also to make your life happy. Thank you.